Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Easton, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms, offering a microwave and mini refrigerator in each guest room along with a free daily hot breakfast. This Eastern Pennsylvania hotel is close to popular attractions, including the Crayola Crayon Factory. On site at the Holiday Inn Express Easton, enjoy working out in with the fitness facilities or relaxing in the indoor pool. Take advantage of in-room coffee makers and enjoy browsing the internet with free wireless access. Only a short distance from the Easton Holiday Inn Express, discover the National Canal Museum and Dorney Park amusement park. A number of shopping centers and restaurants are also located nearby. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.